Hey friends, happy Thursday afternoon. How are you today? So I have a hot little something in my hands that I have been itching to get a hold of. And so since I have one here at my house, I thought I am gonna hop on live and show people what exactly this looks like because it's pretty awesome. So before I show you what I have here, I want to ask you a few questions. Do you know about the ingredients that are in the products that you use or that your kids use, that your kids are putting on their skin, that your wife is putting on her skin, that your mom is putting on her skin? Do you know about the ingredients in the cleaners that you're using or the other household products that you're using? Y'all, the more I research it, the more mad I get. Good gosh, no wonder we're all so sick. No wonder there is so much of every disease with the rates going up at astronomical rates. Asthma, allergies, everything. Infertility. Y'all, these toxins are hormone disruptors and we're rubbing them on our skin. And then we wonder, why are we sick? So, before I show you the good stuff, I want to know, do you know what the ingredients in your stuff is doing to your body? The next time you're walking through your house, pick up a cleaner, pick up a beauty product, something in your bathroom, look at the ingredient list, and then I want you to go and Google one of those ingredients because it'll scare you and it'll make you mad. That's what it's done for me. So I'm slowly getting the toxins out of my house, and one of the very, very last things to go for me has been really the stuff that goes on my skin. So I was always one of those people that loved Smell Good lotion. Anybody else like Bath and Body Works? But basically, skin is your biggest organ. So what are you rubbing all over your skin? Toxins! So I use Young Living lotion now and I love it. It smells good, but I'm not putting junk on my skin. But makeup has been really, really hard for me. So I think I've tried 4 or 5 different natural makeup brands so far. And now, last July, Young Living came out with a whole line of mineral makeup. Now, don't let that scare you. I am not a makeup girl. I have never used mineral makeup before until now. And I had a little bit of help. There's a lot of tutorials online, and my sweet friend Miss Edie did my makeup for me for the first time when I was learning how to use mineral makeup. And you know, she kind of gives us some tips, and she actually has some tips inside our closed group also. So don't let the word mineral makeup scare you. I'm here to tell you, if I can learn to do it, you can learn to do it. And it's worth it, y'all, to get rid of the junk that's making us sick, right? So sometimes you kind of have to weigh the pros and cons and think, you know what? I am 41 years old and I am not too old to learn something new, and I'm going to do it. And I did. And now that I've been using it since July, I think it was July, I love it. I love it. I have never, ever in my life gotten compliments on my makeup. Never. And now I do. Isn't that crazy? And I thought I wasn't going to be able to learn how to do it. I thought it was going to be hard. Basically, you need brushes and your powder, and you just swirl it on your face. So, Mary, me either. I've never been good at makeup. I've never been good at hair. I don't know what clothes look good. I mean, I have my opinions, but that doesn't mean that I feel confident in what I'm doing. Especially with makeup and hair. So I was so excited when Young Living came out with mineral makeup because I was like, you know what? I trust Young Living. I know that they are helping me to rid my home of toxins, and I know that they're not going to put the junk in the makeup. So I started using it right away, and I haven't turned back. So back up. I started using the makeup in July when the mineral makeup came out, and I loved it. Well, not until February did Young Living come out with a starter kit of the Savvy Minerals makeup. So what that means is you can actually get started and become a wholesale member with Young Living with makeup. Maybe you still think oils are crazy, and if you do, send me a message and I'll try to tell you why you need them. Oils have pretty much changed my life. But if you're not ready to take that step yet, that's okay. I'm here to tell you, we've got some other great ways to get started. And so now Young Living has a starter kit. So you can get a starter kit that has everything you need in it to get started with the mineral makeup. And it also gets you your wholesale membership, which saves you 24% on everything on the site. And then the best part, it gets you added to our awesome groups with Dr. Edie and all of us. You get us. I mean, come on. What else could you want? But Edie does a lot of teaching in our groups on natural health, not just oils. You know, she has classes on gut health and hormones and emotions and all that. So when you get your kit, whether that's an oil kit or our Nixia kit or a makeup kit, that gets you entrance into our groups. Hey, Sharon. And your wholesale membership. So, all right, drum roll. I wish I could do a drum roll. I have been itching to see one of these starter kits, and I actually borrowed 2 of them from Edie for an event I'm doing on Saturday. And so I thought, while I have this kit in my house, I'm going to show you because it's so pretty, y'all. It's even better in person than I thought it was going to be. So here is the starter kit. It's a nice sturdy box, just like the oils box that you get when you get our starter kit. Then you pull, so there's the back of it. You pull this sleeve off, and then you've got this pretty box, and then you've got a flap, like a magnetic flap that opens. And then on the inside, you've got some booklets. All right, if you do not know which color to get, go to savvyminerals.com, and there are places to figure out to help you. That's the other thing. Mineral makeup is very, very forgiving. Edie used one color on me. I used another color like a month later. Both of them looked fine. When I look at the pictures, I'm like, wow, I could really go either way. You can even mix colors. You can put more layers on if you need more coverage. So mineral makeup is very forgiving, and people stress about the color, but most people are going to be the cool 2 or the warm 2. I wear warm 2. So once you open the box, but yeah, go to savvyminerals.com, and there's some tips on there for helping you to choose your color. If you want to order a kit and you are terribly confused about what color to get, send me a message and I would be happy to help you. So once you open the box, you get a booklet. This brand new literature, y'all, is really great. This just tells you about Young Living. But then there's this little booklet that tells you all about the makeup. So I'm talking about the new Savvy Minerals starter kit. You can get all your mineral makeup in one little kit to get started with. So in this little booklet, it tells you about the products, and then it actually gives you some tips. Y'all, I need this. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm learning, and I'm putting stuff on my skin that's not making me sick, so I'm willing to learn it. You know what I mean? So it's got some different tips on how to do eyeshadow, and then the different brushes that you're going to use. And then it talks about some oils that are good for your skin. So this little booklet is really handy. I really like it. I had not seen any of this yet, so I'm so excited. All right, then once you move all the literature out of the way, look how pretty this is, y'all. Isn't the packaging gorgeous? So in your starter kit, now don't forget, under the flap, there's more goodness. But on the top, here's what you get. The misting spray, which is really helpful. If you are used to liquid foundation, what you do is you spray your makeup brush with the misting spray, and then you dip the brush into your powder and swirl it on your face. So it comes with one foundation, it comes with a blush, it comes with a lip gloss, and then it comes with your foundation brush that you're gonna need. Now, Young Living does have a whole set of brushes, which are amazing. I received them for a gift, and I'm loving them. But this set comes with one brush. Then underneath, y'all, look what's underneath. There are 3 different shades of eyeshadow and then a little bottle of lavender. Now, why did they put lavender in there? Did y'all know that lavender is so good for your skin? Got a bug bite, you got an itch, you got a burn, you put it on your face. Thank you, Evelyn. This was called, I had a bad hair day, but I still wanted to do a video. So you get foundation, blush, lip gloss, misting spray, 3 shades of eyeshadow, a bottle of lavender, and then you also get your wholesale membership and you get added to our amazing groups where we have a medical doctor's teaching on a regular basis. And then you get all of us. That's one of my favorite things about our group, and that's one of the things that's helped me on my wellness journey the most, is having the support and inspiration and motivation of a couple thousand women who are on this wellness journey together, and we won't let you be overwhelmed, okay? We've got videos and classes and all kinds of good stuff to help you on your journey. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the new Savvy Minerals Starter Kit because I hadn't seen it yet. So when I got it in my house, I was so excited. Let me tell you real quick what is not in Young Living's makeup. There is no talc, no bismuth, no parabens, no phthalates, no petrochemicals, no nanoparticles, no synthetic fragrance. Y'all, the fragrance in all of our products today is making us sick. There are no synthetic colors or cheap synthetic fillers. And then if you go to savvyminerals.com, it's going to list the good things that are in the makeup, and then it tells you what's not in the makeup. And then it also will help you if you're needing to choose your colors, but I'm also happy to help too. So anyway, if you have been wanting to try mineral makeup, now is a great time because we have this kit and it's all put together for you. There's 4 color options. And what I've heard most people say is that you are probably going to be warm to or cool to, and those are the colors. Cool is what Edie used on me last summer, and then I use warm to now, and they both look great. So mineral makeup is very forgiving. It's good for your skin, so you're not putting toxins on your skin. So I've started using it with my teenage girls because, hello, hormone disruptors all over my teenage girl's skin. Makes me want to cry. So I've started using these products with my girls as well, and they're enjoying them. They are much better at makeup than I am. So anyway, I have been using it since July and I love it. So if y'all have any questions about the makeup, not that I can give you tips like on how to make your makeup look good, but if you have questions about our Savvy Minerals, I can try to answer it. And then we have there's like tutorials and videos and lots of information on the website. So go look at savvyminerals.com, but then come back to me if you're ready to order your kit to make sure that you go through my link and you get on our team and Dr. Edie's team and you get all the good stuff. All right? Okay, y'all have a great evening. See you later.